Lesson number 9, Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. How many hours of sleep do you usually get? Is that enough sleep for you? Do you usually use an alarm clock to wake up? How often do you oversleep? What time do you usually get up in the morning? Do you get up with the sun? Do you jump out of bed? Are you a morning monster? Can you describe your morning habits? Are you in a hurry? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you prefer to drink in the morning? Can you describe a typical summer afternoon for you? A winter afternoon? How did you come to school today? Did you arrive by foot, by bus, or by car? How long is your daily commute to work or school? What's your daily schedule like? Busy? Slow? Loose? Full? What was your daily schedule like 5 years ago? How is different now? Do you do many things at the last minute? Why? In your daily life, what modern appliances or machines do you use? What task or chore have you put off or postponed? In what kind of stores do you prefer to shop for clothes? Thrift? Upscale modern? Department? Mall? Mom and pop? Why? Where do you like buying your groceries? Why? What do you usually buy? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.